Welcome guys. So today we will discuss about the comments in HTML. The questions right now circulating in your mind or for the purpose you watching this video are: how to comment in HTML, how HTML comments work, how to leave comments in HTML, hear the syntax or way hot to comment in HTML showing on your screen. Okay, so now going practically. Today I am creating new index file to tell you about the comments. First of all, open Visual Studio Code. Then click on Open New Folder. And here you have to select the folder, as here you can see I already created this folder. Now I will select the folder or create file inside it, with name of index.html. OK, after loading, pressing the shortcut key for the HTML structure, which is Shift+1. You will get the exclamation mark and press Enter. Here we got the whole structure of HTML. Now as I am writing here my website. Inside the body, after saving, check it on a web page. After refreshing, this is the change we got here. After using BR tag for moving to the next line. I will type here, this is not my website, and save it. So as here you can see we have two lines. Now we want to create second line as a comment. So we will use comment tag before or after this text, which is here you can see. I am writing comment syntax, which is as here you can watch on your screen. After writing the text between the syntax or after saving, when you refresh the page, so you can see the change here, our second line is not showing on a web page. But here you can see in Visual Studio Code it's showing. So basically comment is for the developer, not for the user. He can use this by creating change in it or able to read it. But user even unable to see the or edit or anything else. Now if we remove the comment syntax, and again save the or refresh it. So now can see here it is visible for user. So this is the working of comment tag in HTML. Hope my video is helpful for you. Kindly like, share and subscribe.